Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your thumbnail picture if you make YouTube videos like me from your phone or your mobile device. Now this works on Android and iOS both, so there's no real specific device there. All you have to have is the YouTube Studio app, so go ahead and download that by just looking up YouTube Studio on the App Store. Then once you're there, you sign into your channel and you can see all your statistics and analytics and all that, which is pretty fun to look at. It's a must-have for a YouTuber, I believe, but you just want to go into one of your videos. For example, an older one that I had, it's the GTA video that I made. You just want to go ahead and go to edit, and you want to go ahead and just click a random picture. I'm not gonna, because I don't want to change the thumbnail. But once you do that, you just click the picture and then you exit out that, click save, and you're pretty much done. And then I always go into the main YouTube app and swipe down and it'll refresh, and then if it doesn't refresh instantly, within 30 seconds or a minute or two, it should refresh and you'll have a brand new thumbnail. But for me, it usually does it instantly, so that's pretty cool. But if you did like this cool, quick tutorial for YouTubers, or just you thought that it was just cool in general, make sure that you leave a like, comment if you want more videos and quick tips like this in the future, and hopefully you're subscribed. If not, go ahead and subscribe if you're new for more videos like these. Again, comment what you want to see in the future and if you like videos like these, because it really helps me know. But all the links will be in the description, except I'm not going to be doing this app because it's a very simple app to look up. Just look up YouTube Studio, it'll come up, and that simple. But as usual, I'll be back, so hopefully you did enjoy this video, and as always, peace out. See you in the next one.